Does silicone stick to a metal roof? Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. The short answer is yes. Silicone sticks very well to metal roofs, which is why it's widely used for metal roof restoration. But there is an important detail. Silicone sticks great to clean metal, but it does not stick to dirt, oil, loose rust, or oxidation. So proper preparation is critical. The roof should be cleaned, loose rust removed, and any heavily rusted areas treated before applying the coating. Once the surface is clean, dry, and sound, a silicone coating like SiliconEx 500 can bond very well and create a seamless waterproof membrane that protects the metal roof for many years. So remember this simple rule. Silicone sticks great to metal, but not to contamination. If you have questions about preparing a metal roof for coating, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. Alright, questions, comments below or contact us. Like it, hit like, want more, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.